Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage out of mode for your headphones JBL Tune 520. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down. You need to find auto power off. Right here we have it. So by default it uses 30 minutes, and if you do not use your headphones 30 minutes, it will turn off. You can increase this time to 1 hour or 2, just press on the best one for you, or you can also turn off this mode, just click at this slider and your headphones will never turn off until they run out of power, so only because of that. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!